The color of your content will vary as you build up your collection of clips. Let's go over ways to create color schemes with multicolored clips using built-in effects. Trigger a multicolored clip. Under the Effects panel, drag and drop the Color Pass effect onto the clip. Color Pass is an effect that lets you isolate specific colors or a range of colors, while the rest of your image is left without color, or desaturated. The Hue 1 parameter is used to select the color you would like to isolate. Using the default, drag the slider until the color you want is visible. In this case, I want to isolate the greens. What the Hue 2 parameter does is increase or decrease the range of that specific color. I'll adjust the slider until only green color values are visible. Let's eject our clip and trigger a new one. Another useful effect is Colorize. Drag and drop the Colorize effect onto the triggered clip. The Colorize effect applies a single color over your entire clip. By default, our clip is colored red. Click on the red colored button to access color parameters. By default, you're presented with the color picker. Use this to make a direct color selection. You also have the option of using hue and RGB controls to input values directly or drag sliders to choose a new color. Under the hue parameters, you're able to adjust the hue, saturation, brightness, and alpha of your clip's color. The RGB parameters give you access to input RGB values directly or control the range of the red, blue, and green color channels. The last effect we'll discuss is Hue Rotate. We'll trigger a new clip and let's drag the Hue Rotate effect onto it. Hue Rotate lets you recolor your content by changing the overall color hue of the clip. The Hue Rotate parameter is used to cycle through the hue values of our content's existing color. Hue Scale affects the influence of a single color on our content. By adjusting this parameter to 0, notice that we're left with red, and by shifting the value halfway, the colors that make up green are introduced. Use this in conjunction with Hue Rotate to isolate a range of colors. Lastly, Saturation Scale is used to adjust the intensity of colors once Hue Rotate and Scale are set. Resolume provides some powerful effects to help you alter the colors of your content. Create a more uniform look to your visuals by experimenting with these color effects.